Madison Airport information Yankee 1853 Zulu, wind 1008, visibility 10, sky clear below 2000, temperature 8, dew point -7, altimeter 3013. Visual approaches in use, landing parties 182114. Notice the airman, land hold short operations are in effect. Advise, there's confirmation Yankee.
Okay, we have Yankee.
Okay, Madison Tango, no delay, turn left heading 180, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Okay, clear for takeoff, no delay, 97 Tango, 180 heading. Okay, runway appears to be clear. Clear on the right, clear on the left. Clear for takeoff.
Park runway, turn base, runway 21, clear to land.
21 clear to land, Parker Romeo.
Airspeed's alive, 45, 50, 55.
Skyhawk 6, Echo Romeo, cross runway 21. And are you going to the south ramp?
6 Echo Romeo, east ramp.
Okay,
600, rider hold short 14, but cross 21.
400 feet. Turn in or 1, 0, 0.
Runway 21, hold short 14, 6 Echo Romeo.
Skyhawk 9 or 7 Tango, turn left heading 140.
Left 140, 97 Tango.
Skyhawk 9 or 7 Tango, turn left heading 090 and contact departure.
090 and over to departure, 97 Tango.
Skyhawk 6, Echo Romeo, cross 14.
Envoy 4317, contact tower 109.3.
Tower 19-3, envoy 4317, we'll see you.
Okay.
Mass departure, Skyhawk 5197 Tango 090, climbing 3000.
5197 Tango, Madison, departure, radar contact, altitude's your discretion. Just can actually turn left, heading 040 for now.
Okay, 040, 97 Tango.
Number 9 Delta Sierra, contact tower 119.3, let them know you got envoy in sight, please.
This is good, smooth.
And Madison approach.
Not really the smoothest. I was actually thinking 2500 would be a little better, but
Madison approach, altimeter is 3013.
013, 14 Zulu, thanks.
Clear day low.
yeah, it is. They're just setting us up on the 040 heading directly
Number 97 Tango,
outbound.
you can proceed on course to Ryle.
On course to Ryle, 97 Tango.
All right, so our little turn here.
And your autopilot is...
Autopilot's down here. I don't have that turned on right now. And I go down to 20, keep coming down to 2500 here because it's smoother.
That's 439 radar service terminates, squawk VFR, change advisory approved.
Madison approach, 97 Tango, just to let you know I'm going down 2,500 for a little smoother.
97 Tango, rather. M267 radar service terminates, squawk VFR, change advisory frequency is approved.
Squawk VFR, Warrior 267. Madison 3730 Hotel requesting IFR cancellation.
Number 30 Hotel, cancellation received, squawk VFR, there's no traffic observed in your vicinity, frequency change approved.
VFR and frequency change approved, 3730 Hotel.
So we're at 25?
Yep.
Right. Yeah, it's better now.
Yeah, it's a little
I'm
smoother.
seeing less air traffic though.
Yeah, because they're all in the pattern around the airport doing practice approaches and practice landings and stuff.
Yeah, I did see a guy do a touch and go.
Yeah. All right, well, it's not a whole lot better here. It felt a little better on the climb out, but
It did, yeah. But this is the altitude they want us to stay at?
No, so they said altitude's my discretion, so I can be at whatever altitude I want. But I thought it was smoother down here, so I decided to come down here.
And
little did I know that it didn't really matter.
now where are we going?
Rio.
RIO?
So it's, no, it's C, or excuse me, 94 Charlie, 94C is the airport that we're headed towards. So Rio, Wisconsin. Here. That's, RIO, Wisconsin.
Okay. Just want to get an idea. Oh, okay, yeah, it's coming up.
Yep. So we'll overfly the airport, and then we'll enter a traffic pattern. We'll do a grass landing there, soft field landing.
Oh, nice.
Cessna 1 Lima, radar service terminates, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Getting a lot of updrafts and downdrafts here.
Yeah.
Number 97 Tango, radar service terminates, squawk VFR, and frequency change approved.
Okay, squawking VFR, frequency change approved, 97 Tango. Lake clock. Rio area traffic, Skyhawk 5197 Tango is 5 to the south. We'll be overflying the field and inbound for landing runway 9 Rio. Lake Long traffic, Skyhawk 6535 Golf to left base, 33 Lake Long.
So that little city right over there is Rio.
Okay.
And then there's a big green strip.
I see it.
That's our runway. So there's trees, a green strip, and more trees.
Nice, yeah.
And that's our airport.
Private property, just a public?
It's a public airport. Yeah, privately owned public use airport.
Yep, yep. So this is still off.
Yeah, no, it's right on, right in the middle.
I meant the orange-white.
Yeah, because that's vertical. The glide slope is GS, glide slope. So we're not using we're not on an instrument approach.
Okay.
So we won't have a glide slope. All right, we're coming down out of altitude here to pattern altitude. It was 1,925. So 1925. Okay, mixer's coming to rich. Okay, before landing checklist, so seatbelts and shoulder harnesses, fuel selectors on both still. Rio area traffic, Skyhawk 5197 Tango's overflying the field at 2,200. We'll be entering a 45 for runway 09 Rio.
Niner 0, back taxi runway 9er, Wanakee.
Okay, I see no traffic or any.
Nope.
Continue on down to pattern altitude here. traffic. Still negative traffic. Right area traffic, Skyhawk 97 Tango's on the 45 for downwind runway 09, Ryle. Okay, we're beam our landing, horse notch flaps, power coming back.
All right.
Wanakee traffic, Cessna 9690 Quebec, departing runway 9er, Wanakee, left turn westbound.
Rail area traffic, Skyhawk 97 Tango's turning base runway 09, Ryle. Okay, 500 feet remaining. Rail area traffic, Skyhawk 97 Tango's turning final for runway 09, Ryle. We are high.
Yeah.
And here we are, welcome to Rio.
Nice, nicely done.